Employee lifetime value, abbreviated as ELTV, is a metric used by organizations to quantify the long-term value or contribution of an employee to the organization over the entire duration of their employment. It takes into account not only the direct financial impact of an employee's work, but also their potential to drive business outcomes such as productivity, innovation, customer satisfaction, and organizational culture. ELTV helps organizations assess the return on investment of their human capital and make strategic decisions related to talent acquisition, development, and retention. Now let's discuss in detail how HR professionals use employee lifetime value. First, we shall discuss how the ELTV is calculated. So ELTV is calculated by estimating the total value generated by an employee during their tenure with the organization and subtracting the cost associated with their recruitment, compensation, benefits, trainings, and other expenses. The formula for calculating ELTV may vary depending on the organization's objectives and the specific factors considered, but it typically involves projecting the employee's future contributions and discounting them to present value. Next, we will talk about the components of ELTV. There are multiple components that are considered in calculation of ELTV. The first component is financial value. This includes the revenue generated or cost savings achieved as a result of the employee's work. For example, sales revenue generated by a salesperson, cost savings achieved by a process improvement specialist, or revenue generated by a software developer's product would be counted as financial value. Non-financial value. This encompasses intangible contributions that may not have a direct financial impact but are important for the organization's success, such as employee engagement, innovation, customer satisfaction, and organizational culture. Retention value. Retaining talented employees can have significant long-term benefits for the organization, such as reduced turnover costs, increased productivity, and knowledge retention. ELTV factors in the value of retaining high-performing employees over time. There are several strategic implementations of employee lifetime value. Let's discuss these implementation implications one by one. Talent acquisition. ELTV helps organizations make informed decisions about recruiting investments by identifying candidates with the potential to generate the highest long-term value for the organization. Performance management. ELTV provides a holistic view of employee performance and contribution beyond traditional metrics such as productivity or sales targets. It helps organizations recognize and reward employees who create value in various ways. Talent development. ELTV guides investments in employee development and training programs by focusing on skill development areas that have the greatest potential to enhance an employee's long-term value to the organization. Retention strategies. Understanding the lifetime value of employees informs retention strategies aimed at keeping high-performing employees engaged and motivated. It helps organizations prioritize initiatives that enhance employee satisfaction, well-being, and career development. Now let's talk about some of the challenges and considerations when using ELTV. First, calculating ELTV accurately can be complex due to the multitude of factors involved and the uncertainty inherent in predicting future outcomes. ELTV calculations may vary across industries, job roles, and organizational contexts, making benchmarking and comparison challenging. And at the end, ELTV should be used in conjunction with other HR metrics and qualitative insights to provide a comprehensive understanding of employee value and contribution.